Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to download VN Video Editor on PC, Windows. Watch this video until the end and pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. You need to download the BlueStacks emulator first. How to download the BlueStacks emulator? You can watch my previous video link at the top right. You need to enter several files that you want to edit in the VN editor. How to add files from your laptop or PC to the BlueStacks emulator storage. You can pay attention to this small arrow. Please reopen the VN Editor application to edit the video. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.